like a Hellcat.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do the map of 10th standard part 3, in which I'll be covering mountains, its peaks, plateaus, passes, plains, the distribution of minerals and different cities. So let's get started with the first mountain as Karakoram. So that will be starting with here till here. So this is our first mountain peak as Karakoram range. Next comes is Aravallis. So Aravallis, firstly we'll be marking a point over here और ये नीचे से. So this becomes the point. So we'll be starting from this point and marking it like this. This is our second mountain, that is Aravallis. Then comes our Vindhyas. So we have done two rivers at Chambal and Betwa. So इन्हीं के नीचे हम continuation के अंदर touch करते हुए Vindhyas बनाएंगे. So this becomes our Vindhyas as our third mountain peak. Then comes Satpura. So we have done the only two rivers which are west flowing in the South India. So they are Narmada and Tapi. So in between them, like this becomes our Satpura range. Okay, as our fourth number Satpura range. Then comes is western and eastern Ghats. So first of all, before we do this, we all need to know that जो western Ghats हैं हमारे वो continuity के अंदर होते हैं. Okay, like this till here. These are your western Ghats as number 5. Western Ghats. Now comes the eastern Ghats. So like this, इधर थोड़ा सा, and then finally over this place. So this is our sixth number as Eastern Ghats. अब Western Ghats के अंदर we have one more important hills. वो हम इसके parallel बनाएंगे as Nilgiri. As our Nilgiri. Okay. So Nilgiri is also, we have done the Karakoram, Aravallis, Vindhya, Satpura, Western and Eastern Ghats, Nilgiris. Now comes is Mount Godwin Austen, or we say it as K2. So that is over here. This is our K2. So now comes our two plateaus, that are Chota Nagpur Plateau and Deccan Plateau. So Chota Nagpur Plateau is over here. इसी के पैरेलल हम बनाएंगे छोटा सा सर्कल. So this is our number 7 as Chota Nagpur Plateau. So now let us mark the Deccan Plateau. So पहले हम यहाँ से इसकी एक बाउंड्री बनाएंगे till here. Then over here. Then let us go from here. Join these. Then over here. Then coming down and तुंगभद्रा के इधर से हम पास कराएंगे. Then let us see कि हमने इसे बंद कहाँ पे करना है. So इधर. This is our river Kaveri. So कावेरी के यहाँ पे जो कर्व आते हैं बस वहीं पे हमने डेक्कन प्लेट्यू बंद कर देना है. So this is our Deccan Plateau region. Okay, this way. Okay, I can do a outline over here like this. So this becomes our Deccan Plateau region and our Chota Nagpur Plateau. So this is our 8. So 1 is our Karakoram, second is Aravalli, third is Vindhya, Fourth is Satpura. Fifth is Western Ghats. Sixth is Eastern Ghats. Seventh is our Chota Nagpur Plateau, and eighth is our Deccan Plateau. So now we have done all the mountains. Now let us come to the plains part. That is, we are having the Gangetic Plains, our coastal plains, which include the Konkan, Kanara and Malabar, and the Coromandel or the northern Kirkars. So let us first do our Kanara coast or Konkan, Kanara and Malabar coast. So Konkan starts from here. You all must also have this point on our maps. So from here till this point we'll be covering this. So these are your Konkan plains or Konkan coast. Then with the green we'll be doing the Kanara coast till this point. This is our Kanara coast. Now what comes is our Malabar coast. So from this point, as they are in continuation till this, these are Malabar coast. थोड़ा सा और नीचे इसे कर देते हैं यहाँ तक, so that it's parallel to this point. Okay. Now comes our Coromandel coast. So वो हम बनाएंगे रिवर कावेरी और कृष्णा के बीच में इस तरीके से. So this becomes our Coromandel coast. Now comes our northern Kirkars. So इधर से till the last over here. These are our northern Kirkars. Now let us do the Indo-Gangetic plains. So for that we have to firstly see for this point that here we have this way. This V is forming over here. So यहाँ से थोड़ा सा नीचे ये. So let us start marking it as this. और फिर यहाँ से थोड़ा सा नीचे बल्ज करते हुए ये वाली रिवर्स का इतना इतना पार्ट we'll be covering, so that finally it just moves like this. Then over here the bulge should not be too deep, then till this point. Okay, then from here we have to do from this point and then again outlining this lining of the map and then finally joining these two points. So this is our Indo-Gangetic plains, this V, and if they said only Gangetic plains na, then we have to mark only this plane, this thing. This becomes our Gangetic plains, then only this much. This becomes our Gangetic plains. Then we need not to mark these places also. Okay, so Gangetic plains if they ask, then only this much. Otherwise if they ask Indo-Gangetic plains, फिर हमने ये V वाला portion भी include करना है. Okay. So this is our Indo-Gangetic plains, our northern Kirkars, Coromandel coast, Konkan coast, Kanara coast and Malabar coast. So we have done with the plains also. Now what comes is our passes, that is Karakoram, which we have done in that mountains only. Now comes the distribution of minerals. So the first which we are having is the Mumbai High. So I'll be using this map only because you'll get a little help from here. So जहाँ पे हमारे कोंकण को start हुए हैं ना, you all started with a point over here. So हमारे पास मुंबई है, मुंबई के इधर just parallel हमने एक point mark करना है, that will be our Mumbai High. Okay, so this becomes our Mumbai High. Next comes is Jharia. So in Indo-Gangetic Plains only this river we have covered. So क्या करना है हमने इसके जस्ट बीच में जो इसकी लाइनिंग है ना, इसके जस्ट यहाँ पे इंडो-गैंगेटिक प्लेन्स के जस्ट लाइनिंग में हमने ये पॉइंट मार्क करना है. आई होप यू आर एबल टू सी दिस पॉइंट. सो दिस बिकम्स आर झारिया. Okay, so it is an offshore oil field. तो तभी हमने ये थोड़े offshore बनाई है. देन कोल के लिए हमारे पास झारिया और ये ऑयल रिफाइनरी के लिए. ओके, नाउ व्हाट कम्स इज आवर सिटीज. सो इन सिटीज वी विल बी ओनली कवरिंग द दिल्ली, मुंबई, कोलकाता, चेन्नई एंड इलाहाबाद. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिल्ली. So Delhi will be marking on the bank of the Yamuna, that is this way. Over here is our Delhi. Okay, next comes is Mumbai. So Mumbai हमारा यही पॉइंट जहाँ से हमने कोंकण कोस्ट शुरू किया था, और इसके जस्ट पहले हमने यहीं पे बनाना होता है हमारा ऑयल फील्ड, दैट इज मुंबई हाई. सो दिस इज आवर मुंबई. नेक्स्ट इज कोलकाता. सो कोलकाता हमने यहाँ पर यह भी हैव सम डिसऑर्डर ना. सो इस ओवर हेयर इज आ कोलकाता. मेक श्योर यू डोंट मार्क ओवर हेयर बिकॉज दिस इज चिलिका लेक. ओके, सो चिलिका लेक के बाद यहाँ पे हमारे पास थोड़े से ब्लैकिश कलर्स में थोड़ा सा डिसऑर्डर प्रिंटिंग है. तो इसी के ऊपर जस्ट, और इन झारिया के जो रिवर्स है ना, जस्ट उसके ओरिजिन के पैरेलल थोड़ा सा. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज चेन्नई. सो चेन्नई के लिए वील बी मार्किंग सम पॉइंट्स. ये हमारे पास रिवर है कावेरी. सो कावेरी के जस्ट दिस वे. सो हेयर कम्स आर चेन्नई, comes our Chennai. Okay, the last is Allahabad or Prayagraj. So that you need to pay some attention because Delhi हमने यमुना के कोस्ट पे करी है, और जो second that is Ganga. That's why I've covered the rivers first so that it becomes easy for you to mark these places also. So Ganga के just यहाँ that comes your Prayagraj. Let us mark the standard meridian also over in this plane, this map, so that it becomes easy for you to mark. तो पहले इधर से तो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन निकाल लो, बिकॉज हमारा जो standard meridian that passes through this plane, then this. So this is 82 degree and 30 minutes east. This east has to be written, otherwise it will be a wrong. That is our standard meridian. So this was all for the today's video. This was according to the reduced syllabus which was due to the COVID-19 situation. So I hope you have understood and you like my content. If you do so, please like, share and comment to my this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So thanks for watching.